Friends, if you want to create Google Sheet from Excel, then you need to open Google Drive on your web browser and upload your Excel file. Like here I have already opened my Google Drive. So I will simply drag and drop my Excel file over here. Now my Excel file is uploaded and I will simply open this file. Now you have opened your Excel file in Google Docs. You can use it in Excel format also, but if you want to change it to Google Sheet format, then you simply need to click on File, and here you need to click on Save as Google Sheets. Now it has opened it in Google Sheet format. Now here you will able to see that it has created a copy. Now this is our file in Excel format, and this is our file in Google Sheet format. So friends, like this you can very easily create Google Sheet from Excel. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.